Is it?
Yeah. We walk and then go down and that's it.
Yeah. Oh, this is perfect. Not hot at all. I hope it stays like this.
So did I.
Yeah.
I reckon it might. Maybe.
It might?
Maybe. Feels like it will. All the other
My
mornings,
outfit is perfect then.
all the other mornings we sing sun. I think.
Yeah.
This one's good.
Do they have like I hope we don't get one over here. He died. Oh, I like my glasses. Look at yours.
Yeah, look good.
We match.
Yeah.
My outfit is perfect for this weather.
Yeah, you can't both. Look good. Did we walk up this?
Huh?
Did we walk up this before? Oh, is that the stairs there?
Yeah. Then... No, it's not the. It's
Oh.
not really like. And then we go down there. Yeah. Oh. Well.
If you fall, I'll catch it.
Huh?
If you fall, I'll catch it.
What? I think you'll fall first. I think they're from Thailand.
Yeah,
Like they can't like go all the way here just to have a photo shoot, right?
Yeah.
Bibi, Dasha Laila. Oh, she looks so pretty.
Boom, 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 boom. Look at his face. He's like a grumpy. I feel like I can just give the guy 50 baht.
Yeah. He should have a rest because he's tired. Like he's even tired before we started.
Yeah.
Hello, babe. He's going to take a poo. Look at.
Woo! Are you filming
He's
that?
going to take a poo.
Are you
Yeah,
filming
I am filming it.
Get closer, babe.
No.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Look how heavy it was. That's a few.
That's a lot. Ooh, great.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look at this ass.
You feed the elephant, babe. I'll take a picture of you.
Oh,
Do you have to peel it off?
no.
No?
not pure not pure
No,
Oh,
not
okay.
not pure จิตก้นช้างกันได้ให้มันป้อน
Ooh, babe.
You think better though?
Yeah.
Can you see the...
Here?
better
Oh, okay. Thanks.
You look good, babe?
No, I'm good. I'm filming you. He wants everything. Give him the basket.
Can you catch?
pardon
Let's check out.
no fit
No more.
give me basket please
Bye, elephant.
bye bye next we go to see the baby elephant
Sure. Oh, babe, I'm
Aww.
going to the baby one. It's so little.
give me your phone นะ นั่งไปนั่งเลยจัดการให้ give me your phone นะ inside please
Hello.
take you too stay close please stay close close 1 2
It's only 6:20, but it's still daylight. Like around this time, we should be swimming.
Oh my god, are we talking? Are you making me talk?
Yeah.
No.
No, we can talk. Hey, I'm not showing you on camera at all. Look it. No, just look. No, look. You're not here.
I'm not here? Okay.
No.
I'm just...
You're not gonna talk to me?
No. This is like a stage talking video.
You can talk. No?
No.
Aw, poor me. I'm not gonna swim today.
Oh, is that my face? You're not going to swim. Oh, poor me.
I'm not swimming.
I'll throw you in, babe.
Hmm?
I'll throw you in.
No.
No?
Yeah, no, I'm gonna hold my phone the whole time.
Really?
You can't throw me, no.
I'll get you a new one.
There's a lot of people in the pool still. Like yesterday and the other day, around this time there, it's empty. Almost 7. And
Is
it's
it?
still daylight.
Okay.
Yeah, 6:20.
Yeah, they got up by 7 yesterday.
If they're still there by 7,
You're not going in?
I'm not going in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
What do we call this, babe? Deck?
I thought it's like a lounge.
Lounge?
Or sunbed. Oh, no, it's not sunbed.
Sunbed?
No, it's not sunbed.
Sun couch.
Oh,
Sun
I've
couch.
got no idea what it's called. I say a lounge. Not
I
lounge.
laughed too loud.
It's like, I don't know.
You don't know?
I got no idea what it's called.
We're here. I don't even know what it's called, but yeah, that's that. All the talking video I did was like boring. It's just me. It's like, she had a boring trip.
That's what they want to see. Shoot.
That's what they want to see, a boring vlog?
Yeah.
Like you can't really talk when you go walk on the streets because it's so loud. They can't hear me anyway, so I just took clips.
Yeah, that's fine. You could walk around and give them a tour of the resort. I can just lay here and you can walk around and show them the pool, show them the beach.
Tour the resort.
Show
This
them the bar.
resort is huge.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
No way.
Give me a heel when you finish.
We can't get around with that with just walking. We need a cart.
Give me a tour of the pool area. Walk around
The pool area?
walk
No,
around the
there's too many people there.
Okay.
I might trip and drop my phone in the water.
No, you won't.
The last thing I want to do this trip is drop my phone in the water.
I would hate to be you to lose your phone.
Yeah,
Remember
I'll be
vlogging.
grumpy. I can't lose
And you
my
will be
phone. I will be. Ah, you drop it in the
I
ocean.
did. Oh, well,
Yeah.
it still works.
It will have some salt water
No,
inside,
it's all
and
fine.
it will be.
It
No,
probably cleans
it will
it
be
all out.
damaged.
It cleans it all out now. It's probably working fine.
You did tell me you'll replace it though, and I'm filming it right now.
Bullshit. I deny all of that. I deny all of that.
You punch me in the face and you drop my you drop my phone in the water. Perfect.
Nice guy.
Nice guy. Perfect guy. Hmm?
You're gonna edit this in editing?
No, I'm not gonna
No?
edit this.
No.
Yeah, they don't know you, so it's fine.
They might see my face one day.
No.
I don't
You
wanna see
don't
your
even
face.
want to be on
I
camera.
wanted to see your face.
No.
Not your videos, not your vlogs.
Not my vlogs. How about a sit down video?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Maybe.
What?
Maybe.
Eating video?
Yeah, maybe I did that well.
Let's do
Yeah.
it. Let's buy some Thailand food.
You can film tonight, maybe.
We can?
Maybe.
Let's buy some
Oh, we have to buy the
snacks.
no, we have to buy the cockroaches.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, let's do that. Done.
No.
You
No.
can-
Cockroach.
Roach. Yeah, we'll buy.
Yeah, not the maggot. Not the.
No, yeah.
No, I can't eat that.
I'm
I can't
serious.
even look at them.
I'm serious.
No. I
You
can't.
can
No.
film me eating that.
Oh, sige. Let's
Done.
do
No,
it.
let's do it. Okay.
Tonight.
Tonight.
No, let's buy more. We can't just get two. We need more.
We'll buy a few. Lovely.
Sige.
Okay. Done.
No, you know what my plan was? To get Thailand snacks? Like the,
They're just chips.
yeah, the
I
chips.
reckon the bugs will be more fun.
Yeah, we can do that as well. We can do 2 videos.
Two?
Yay!
I said
Yeah, let's
one.
do it,
I
babe.
said one bag. I said one.
No.
Uh,
Yeah, let's do 1 video.
let's just start off slow. Let's do one of
Hi guys! Guess what? I'm doing a room tour. So, hotel room tour. Bukas kasi alis na kami. So, this is our last day here dito sa hotel na to. So, I figured I need to do the room tour right now or else wala na akong time. So, nandito ako sa dyan yung door. Bongga. O, diba? Nandyan yung door. Walang kaano-ano. Yung room dito maganda kasi parang siyang mini apartment na style sa maraming food dyan. Hindi ko actually alam ko anong nandito. Hindi ko pa ito na-open. But, oh, just glass, you guys. Tapos, dito, ano yung nandito? Oh yeah, mga ano lang, mga kitchenware lang na bonggang-bongga. And then, here, they have the sink. Hindi naman ginagamit yan eh. Tapos, complimentary water. Tapos, meron din silang kettle. And then, mga coffee. Hindi din kami gumagamit yan kasi pumupunta kami sa buffet breakfast. And super good ng food nila dito. Sobra. And then, here, the random stuff na nilalagay lang namin dito para hindi namin makalimutan paglabas. And that's the key right here. By the way, we're staying at Amari Phuket. So, that's the key right there. And then, yeah, ito yung mga basura namin. meron namang trash bin dito. So, I'm just gonna throw it away here. Tapos dito, nandito yung ibang kitchenware. Oh, ito pa lang yung open. Oh, nothing in there. Kidding. Ito, mga kitchenware lang. Hindi namin ginagamit to. And then, fridge. And then, this one on top. Fridge din, na ganon. And, pagpasok mo, ito yung itsura niya pagpasok. So, here, you have the phone. And then, they have the couch. They have here the TV. Meron din silang TV sa loob, dun sa kwarto. And, yeah. Small table. Nandyan yung luggage ko. Nakaseparate yung isusuot ko mamaya. Kasi lalabas kami. And then, may table dito. And then, yan yung labas. Gustong-gusto ko yung labas. As in, sobrang nice ng view namin. Tapos dito, you will see the room. Kakalinis lang nila. So, bonggang-bongga. And then, so, meron siyang 2 bedside table. Tapos, doon yung closet namin. And then, here's the TV. Yep. And mamaya na tayo sa banyo kasi may gumagamit sa banyo. So later. But yeah, that's basically it, you guys.
Do you want to hold that or you got?
No, I'm filming.
Are you gonna film us going to the lobby?
Yeah,
Okay.
we can.
Okay.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, if you want. Go for
Yeah.
it.
Let's
Do you wanna
go.
hold this- Get this going.
Thanks. Sure.
Why not? It's easier.
The cart is here. Is that our cart?
That's our car.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's fast.
Is it all in properly?
Let's go get some food. No.
Okay.
Thank you. It's not our cart.
Whatever.
You lied. There's one more coming. Maybe we could just walk. Too far.
Too far.
Too far.
We'll be walking
Too
the
far.
markets.
Too far. Oh,
We get
yeah,
all
right.
sweaty and stuff. It's just-
See, I told you. We should just take a shower later.
No. But we're clean now. We feel better. Don't you feel better?
I do.
Okay.
I didn't wash my face though. So,
Ugh.
I'm too afraid. Like, too tired to take my contacts out and then put it back in.
Do you have to plug that in, babe? Oh, not right about it.
Sure. Plug it in, Mr.
There?
White Guy. Perfect.